Hi, welcome back to the You Revolution. Thank you so much just for giving me a couple of moments of your time. And the point of these little video clips is really just to throw out some life hints. I'm a practicing life coach based here in the UK, and I love to just encourage people, mainly from my own life journey and quite possibly from the many mistakes that I've made. And today I want to ask quite a searching question, and that is, who do you need to speak to? Is there somebody in your life who you need to be having a conversation with? Something has gone wrong, something has broken down, the lines of communication are not as they should be or as they used to be. Something happened, something was said, words might have been exchanged, and it's just been left hanging, and there's a tension, and you know what it's like. There's a tension inside of you. There's a regret inside of you. Maybe you've hurt yourself, maybe they've hurt you. Is there something that is festering in your thinking? Are you hurt? Well, let me tell you this. It won't heal itself. It doesn't just go away. I spoke in one of my earlier clips about the power of forgiveness, and I reiterate that again. And sometimes forgiving, letting things go, and understanding that maybe you just caught that person on a really bad day, and they don't want to be judged for it for the rest of their lives. Is there somebody, though, that you need to be having a very frank conversation with? Why don't you make that call? But before you do, remember to be kind. Go in humbly. Don't go in with all guns blazing, shooting from the hip. Consider your words. Remember, in life, it's so much better to build bridges than walls. And sometimes our words can actually just be so destructive that we've actually set up a massive barrier between ourselves and other people. Building bridges is really saying, I realize we're humans, we're going to fail, we're going to say wrong things, we're going to mess up. But let's find a way to make this work. Is there somebody you need to call? I always say to people, rather stay away from social media. Don't email, don't text somebody, SMS somebody, simply because you can't hear tone of voice and you can't see facial expressions. And I've misunderstood things that people have sent me. Heaven knows people have misunderstood things that I've sent to them. Is there someone you need to get a hold of? Have that conversation. That thing that's been festering. Maybe it's a family member. Is it a parent? Is it a child, a sibling, a work colleague? Have that conversation. It can just be so healing. But go in with an attitude that says, I'm willing to actually to be the humble one here. I'm willing to eat humble pie. It's not about who's right and who's wrong. It's about building bridges. Thanks so much, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Please remember to subscribe to the channel.